8, right? 9, okay. 10, okay. Let's start. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon to everyone. Actually, the reason for coming live on Facebook is something really different. um, Actually, this afternoon I received something from a courier service, and guess this. Everyone knows it, right? Tips Industries Limited. So this is also, I don't know how to express. This is a courier. This is a courier from Tips Industries Limited to Parmita Riang. Okay, isn't it strange? Tips na roige joto no nukhna jeng chaiomon khna jeng especially cassette rogo do I guess. I get through cassette logo, the logo, no or logo when joto chaiomon khna omo kaisa Bollywood ni Bollywood ni kaisa yagra de hinjine I am to so wishing ko tamatong chung nai le na. I'm too excited. I said tips ni an your Korean sub it's like a totally dream for me. Never thought I'll receive such a beautiful gift from anyone from anywhere. And I don't know. Let's see. Tamatong nai le. I'm taking too much time. Okay, here is something written blank. I don't know what's. We'll go to the main thing. So okay, here it's an agreement paper. Isn't it strange for me? It's really a big thing for me. Is it strange? So it's an agreement paper or jagatam shika. This agreement is made this 18th day of April 2019 by and between me and Tips Industries Limited. So aro ang pori ya tanba ang oko soft copy pori pa jaga ani email pori pa kha so am sit chalia tangi borok all agreement paper roho kha ang sawana actually no khana ani cover song selfie je release mani last year from the movie Race 3 Salman Khan movie yeah ara jago bang ka cover song rajab kha goodbye baby selfish okay our movie selfish video okay arota mongkha I don't know cover video do joto no khlayo jeng joto no khlaya I don't know borok tamon nugi amo saga saimalia borok ano mail khaihoro like borok by kaisa agreement khlaina bagi I mean, if I want I can work with them the same song again man tesha haino hai ada job no borok by borok studio thangi borok by samung khlaina bagi the same song I have to sing Cobra Chat okay yeah Cobra Chat nai okay tamok kha borok ano email lo waisa rohman actually ang email bo check khlai ja gyam se I mean Facebook or bako matong hongke suddenly and I email actually February ni email sick okay one day any friend Monojit but ani korok na yo he also like a partner ang hai no okay as a very close friend of mine bo ani email rok check khai tamo mane boi korok tamo koro ar jaga ni ani airdrop tam rok kawang ma ara jaga ni bisingi samung no bok khlayo ang as time bo maya and moreover so technically ang so sai bo maya so boss halja ani email check khalega ja ano simoga hai dini email check dikhai ne kan dini what I nini email nai nai di kroksa borok no email khajak ni si a jaga suijak de jeng actually jeng kabang ma artist no amte hai rutu go basically chini tips ni je production or result nai rong no kai hai jeng no rong ni we really I mean nini result mong no kho rang go ja ja khai ge if you really want you can work with us ati hai okay speak loud a little bit loud okay itu lah tahu saya dah salah sering dia hingga aku dalar sih tunggu dan bah suddenly tips ni borok am tike buino personally message ok khalai galak hine then ang saka I took very lightly you know after no monojin no samani I know tapok de monojin borok tv ni founder hine and bono saka like je handle khaima ni no khalai sidi I don't know am to nang shishu ya kon ya je chalai na tongmani genuine person ke ba chalai di ko dalar phanongi ma no I know because tips ni am tike rohoi tongmani it's not a joke you know abo ke bono monojin no je chalai na tong chalai ka abari ya golo ano email ro ka agreement paper ro ya no ro ka ke ani details ro san ka so actually one chok mai ya chikon cover video ro am sike no lama phunu gi ma nai hine one chok gi man ya actually recently no khna like I'm sorry ang gospel video kaisa release khlai mani and you know your hard work pays off like mane asuk din asuk kabang ma you know asuk hard work khlai ka thuya ke ba samuk khlai mani sal donga but am sukhe ani imang rok suddenly easily gong nai hiri one two year muk thang maybe chikon makon project phano ngi mano I don't care but aro jaga ni am chu kotor khai no agreement paper ro hoi tong nang bai sam khalaina bagi sai tong like bele ke hambai joto no and kaitor ni bagi no am tingo because nang 저도 차가 동네 무다이시노는 저도 디사이드 클라요 능 꾸는 파노 just hard work 클라이디 고 클라이디 능 부카 고부이 바이 클라이한게 아버 니니 이망 목탕 의마야 아버 그는 앙보 하이노 same thing 암스 그등만 가 아스 어 라마오 almost like 12 to 13 years 응의 동카 투야 짜야 그 사문 클라이마니 닌 동카 and you know I still remember that jeng je ko gospel video lobby ro jabo je last time jeng release khlai mani Sunday o monsoon ar ro jabo jeng thang pro je ni ba ko mic kari monsoon was jeng mai phung aji siren thalai mani mai bu jalai jagya atike no jeng ro jabo phailega sapung like sari go after work after jeni samung ro paya ko ne je jeng mai ro jalai jago abono like जों साले दंमोन आसके लें लाइजाक आसके बहको माइकरी दास कानो थांगै बिश्राम गनस थांगैया कोनै सामं खलाय लेखा आस हाचाल स्कुटी रक बाय थांगैया कोनै सादुं कोतरमा वाति रबु वाजाक रक आमते हेरक नखा या abono नों if नों बेले के डेडिकेटेड नखा गनेन सामंगो Kaidor Naiklayo Haisikoke, Chikon Makon Panangaman Kana, but this is really a big gift from a God to me. And Bini Bagay Tangsha Lobby the Jabi I'm sick Kotor gift Mana Hini and any life for one Chogi Maya. And thank you everyone. Joto Ani Takum Kuro, ano Kakjang Lero, ano Ham Yodero, no, most okay, any 각자 마트에 हम या phải जाओ anh cái nào nè आशीर्वाद nào जे nào ngà nó anh bảo ये बाजू में apa iso ni thia abo ni ba no tiang asaktor ke chakani we claim me thank you so much and tabuk angsi decide clearly whether I want to work with them or not, because this is just an agreement paper from a Tips Industries Limited, and the thing whatever is written here is like I have to go there and sing the same song, the Selfish song again. So I don't know whether I'll be able to go. Everything I just leave everything to God. Je kai to klai abo nong nai future ro. And not only hamjak mong, not only support table ro hodi. I'm so thankful. This happened just because of your blessing, just because of your prayers, supports, and nothing is impossible without your prayers, without your support. So this is really too much for me. And thank you everyone, keep praying and keep supporting me. So thank you everyone for watching too. It's 66. Oh my god, thank you so much. And I don't know, but I hope I'll do my best. Thank you, love you all.